Go outside. I can look at the garden. Where the rose is going. It's raining right now, so it is what it is. Alright, let's go, sweetie. We got some big puddles over here. She's under the umbrella looking like a little wolf pup with the fur around it. Oh, it's coming. Here's a big one right here.
Here's the biggest puddle I ever seen.
You want to go first? Go. You gotta have fun with it. Ooh. That's what's up. You gotta have fun. Come here. Come here. Don't come over here. Have fun with it. Yeah. That's what's up. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
That's what I'm talking
My
about.
socks are wet.
They are? Well, they gonna get wet. Have fun. We're gonna take them off when we get in, okay? Come here. You ready to go back in?
No.
Huh? Why not?
Socks get wet. Better up that.
I think mine are wet too. Come here. Come on. Everybody coming. Oh, this is a big one, huh? Watch out. Come here. Get up here. Let's wait till the car passes. Yeah. You want to do this one? There's another car coming too.